Folks, I've been around cars my whole life, from roaring V8s that shook the ground beneath your feet, to the unmistakable rumble that echoed down every street. Those machines weren't just vehicles, they were a symbol of freedom, power, and the open road. These classics built America's highways, connecting cities and people, and fueling dreams of adventure. They're woven into the fabric of our culture, representing an era when the journey was just as important as the destination. For decades, the sound of an engine was the sound of freedom, a soundtrack to road trips, late-night drives, and memories made behind the wheel. But times are changing fast. The world we drive through is evolving, and so are the cars we drive. The revolution on our roads is quiet, smooth, and electric. Instead of roaring engines, we now have a gentle hum and instant acceleration. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are redefining what it means to drive. They're not just a new way to get from point A to point B, they're changing our relationship with cars entirely. The internal combustion engine had its era, but now we're seeing the true cost, at the pump and in our environment. Gas prices keep climbing, and the air we breathe is paying the price too. The conversation has shifted from horsepower to responsibility and sustainability. People are asking, how can I make a difference? And EVs are part of the answer. Look around. EVs are everywhere, from legacy brands to bold startups. The choices are growing every year, with new models and features that appeal to every kind of driver. This isn't a passing trend, it's a tidal wave transforming the industry. Automakers are investing billions, and cities are adapting to this electric future. We're at a crossroads, just like when the Model T replaced the horse and buggy. History is repeating itself, but this time the stakes are even higher. What's driving this change? Environmental awareness, tech breakthroughs, and common sense. People want cleaner air, smarter technology, and a better future for the next generation. People want cars that are fun, high-tech, and connected, vehicles that make every drive an experience, not just a commute. And they want them to be affordable to run, without harming the planet. Lower maintenance, fewer emissions, and the convenience of charging at home are changing the game. We're moving from mechanical muscle to electric intelligence. The future of driving is about smart systems, efficiency, and innovation. It's an exciting time to be a car lover. Whether you're a gearhead or a tech enthusiast, there's something for everyone in this new era. So let's pop the hood and see what makes this new era tick, because the road ahead is just getting started. Let's face it, tailpipes have been polluting our cities for decades. Every day, millions of vehicles release harmful gases into the air we breathe, turning once clear skies into a haze of smog. It's not just an eyesore, it's a real threat to our health and the planet's well-being. That puff of smoke isn't harmless. It's a mix of pollutants like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and tiny particles that damage our lungs, contribute to asthma, and even shorten lives. Our environment suffers too, as these emissions fuel climate change and acid rain. Electric cars change the game. No engine, no exhaust, zero tailpipe emissions. They glide through city streets without leaving a trail of pollution behind, offering a glimpse of what our future could look like. Imagine rush hour with clean air and blue skies overhead. That's the promise of an all-electric future. Streets could be quieter, and our cities could become healthier places to live. Some ask, but what about the electricity? Good question. It's true that EVs need power, but the way we generate that power is changing fast. Our power grid is getting cleaner every year, with more solar and wind energy replacing coal and gas. Renewable energy is on the rise, making every mile driven in an EV cleaner than the last. Charging an EV already produces fewer emissions than burning gasoline, and as our grid gets greener, the environmental benefits only grow. Every charge is a step toward a cleaner tomorrow. Unlike gas cars, which pollute from day one to the last, EVs get greener as the grid does. Over time, their carbon footprint shrinks, while gasoline vehicles only add to the problem. This is about taking responsibility for our planet and our communities. Cleaner transportation means healthier neighborhoods, more vibrant parks, and a better quality of life for everyone. We can keep the freedom of driving without sacrificing clean air. Road trips, daily commutes, and weekend adventures are all possible, just with less impact on the world around us. EVs let us enjoy the road and protect our health. They're fun to drive, quiet, and packed with the latest technology, making every journey more enjoyable. It's a smarter, cleaner way forward. a choice that benefits us today and future generations tomorrow. Cleaner cities, less climate impact, and still the thrill of driving. We don't have to give up what we love to protect what we need. That's a future worth driving toward. The choice is clear. Let's clear the air, literally, and drive into a brighter, healthier tomorrow together. Let's talk money, because when it comes to your car, every dollar counts. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or planning a road trip, transportation costs can add up fast. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to save more and spend less, especially on something as essential as getting around? Gas prices are unpredictable, and every trip to the pump can feel like pouring cash down the drain. One week it's up, the next it's down, but it always seems to hurt your wallet. With an EV, you skip the gas station entirely. No more waiting in line or stressing about rising fuel costs. Charging at home is like paying less than $1 a gallon, sometimes even less if you charge overnight or take advantage of special utility rates. Just plug in your car before bed, wake up to a full battery, and enjoy the freedom of paying only a fraction per mile compared to gas. It's convenient, easy, and fits right into your daily routine. Over a year, those savings really add up, hundreds or even thousands of dollars back in your pocket. That's money you can spend on things you actually enjoy. Plus, governments offer tax credits and rebates, making EVs even more affordable. These incentives can take a big chunk off the purchase price, making the switch easier than ever. Some utilities even give you discounts for charging at off-peak times, so you can save even more just by plugging in when demand is low. Sure, the sticker price of an EV can be higher up front, but when you factor in lower fuel costs, fewer maintenance expenses, and all those incentives, the total cost of ownership is often much lower than a gas car. You're investing in a car that saves you money every single day, mile after mile, year after year. Advanced, exciting, and cost-effective. What's not to love about driving electric and keeping more cash in your wallet? Driving electric is like getting paid to join the future, saving money while enjoying the ride. Maintenance headaches? EVs practically eliminate them. No oil changes, spark plugs, or exhaust systems to worry about. Electric motors are simple, just a few moving parts, so there's less to break. Forget about regular trips to the shop, it's mostly just tires, brakes, and washer fluid. Regenerative braking even extends the life of your brake pads by using the motor to slow you down and recharge the battery. That means fewer repairs and more time on the road. No more surprise bills or days stranded by breakdowns. EVs offer peace of mind and lower maintenance costs. It's a stress-free ownership experience. More driving, less fixing. That's the way it should be.